So here I am, working on my pottery in a makeshift studio in my carport. This is a big change, as you can see. No more luxury of an indoor community studio. I don't have a sink, so I'm using the hose. And I have a homemade wedging table. That's some plaster of Paris poured into a wood frame and propped on cinder blocks, thanks to my boyfriend, Mike. And I have my rusty old pottery wheel, a veritable treasure that sat in a shed for a decade while I attended pottery classes in comfort at the local community center. Working on my pottery outside in the Florida heat with the bugs and mosquitoes, it's definitely something new to get used to. I have a fan running on me and some bug repellent. I'm sure I'll be fine. Working by myself is also something to get used to. Although Mike is learning and he's really interested, I'm having a lot of fun teaching him. So I'm not all alone out here. My studio is pretty basic, but it's mine. And I am so lucky and privileged to have it. I know this. An even bigger display of my good fortunes. Mike is a professional electrician. He's laid off right now. So he was able to wire up my house for a kiln. We were able to get a permit with the city still and install a new electrical circuit and outlet to plug in my new-to-me kiln. And this weekend, I plan on trying out my first firing. It's kind of exciting. The strangest thing right now is to realize that my dreams of having a pottery studio at home were only made possible so quickly because of the global pandemic. I mean, without the coronavirus, Mike would be working and he wouldn't have the time. I wouldn't have found such a nice kiln for so little money. And I wouldn't have put so much effort into making a complete pottery studio in my carport. I know this. The priority wouldn't have been quite so high. The things that kick us in the ass and make things happen are really surprising sometimes. I am the naked potter.